What if we told you that crash tests have saved lives worth more than $538 billion? That's the conclusion of a new study from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. Over the past 3 decades, tougher crash tests have pushed automakers to build stronger, smarter, and safer vehicles. Features like reinforced cabins, improved airbags, and advanced crash structures weren't just engineering upgrades. They dramatically reduced fatalities and serious injuries.
Researchers estimate these safety improvements have generated an incredible $538 billion in societal benefits, including lower medical costs, fewer lost workdays, and countless lives saved. The study also sends a clear message. Continuously raising safety standards encourages innovation rather than increasing unnecessary costs. As vehicles evolve with electric powertrains and driver assistance technology, stricter crash testing will remain essential to protecting drivers, passengers, and pedestrians alike.
So the next time you see a car smashed in a crash lab, remember, those destructive tests are helping create safer roads and saving billions in the real world. Thanks for watching Future Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more automotive insights.